Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how easy it is to make white Puerto Rican rice. You will need an olla or a caldero, but any pot with a lid will do. 1 cup of medium grain rice. One brand that I love to use is the Asian Botan due to its starch content. 1.5 cup water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. But the most important ingredient is gonna be a lot of fun. The first step we're gonna do is soak the rice in cold water for washing. And we're gonna repeat this step about 3 times, okay? We're gonna wash the rice till the water starts coming clear, but not too much because you wanna leave some of that starch to make that rice a little bit sticky. Using a strainer, discard the water and start warming your caldero. I like to start in high heat first. Then we're gonna add the oil and spread it by moving it all over while warming the pot. This will help to avoid the rice sticking to your pot. Then we're gonna add the salt. Arroz Blanco or Puerto Rican White Rice is delicious. It's fluffy and perfect with any meal. Flavor it with crispy tocino, pork fat, but if you are a vegetarian, just simply exclude the pork fat and use vegetable oil, as I'm doing today. Our next step is to pour the rice in the caldero. The caldero doesn't have to be big, but at least that it can hold between 2 to 3 quarts. We're gonna add the 1.5 cups of water to the caldero. We're gonna start boiling it in high and stir constantly. And stir more and more until the water evaporates. And then we're gonna start reducing the heat from high to low. When the water has evaporated and you start seeing that the rice grains are not fully covered with water, put a lid on it. By this time you should have your rice in low. And we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Don't uncover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes in low, then you're gonna uncover to check and stir. By stirring the rice, you will help distribute the heat to achieve an uniform cooking. Some chefs don't like to stir the rice after it cooks. Well, I like to stir stuff. This white rice is the king of all rice dishes because it just goes with so many meals. This Arroz Blanco, Puerto Rican White Rice, will become one of your favorite ways to cook white rice. Buen provecho, and thanks for watching.